Troubles with your Samsung? A hard reset might be just what you need. Here's how to hard reset your Samsung phone in 2 easy ways. First, through the Settings menu. 1. Open Settings. 2. Tap General Management. 3. Select Reset. 1. Tap Factory Data Reset or Delete All. 1. Confirm by tapping Reset or Erase Everything. Now using Recovery Mode. 1. Power off your phone. 1. Hold Volume Up plus Bixby, Power plus Home buttons until the Samsung logo appears. Note, if no home button, use volume down instead of up. 1. Navigate with volume buttons to wipe data factory reset. 1. Confirm by selecting Yes, delete all user data. 1. Select Reboot System now. Remember, back up your data first. A factory reset erases everything. And if you can't access settings, Recovery Mode is your backup plan. Lastly, be ready to log in with your Samsung or Google account after the reset due to factory reset protection. There you go.